This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay videos on Pinterest. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Pinterest. You have to excuse my voice, I'm recovering from an illness. To enable or disable autoplay videos, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner and you want to click on the little drop down arrow. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Social Permissions. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down. At the very bottom, you see it says Autoplay Videos. By default, it's toggled on, but to turn it off, you just toggle it off. Then you want to go down to the bottom and click on Save. And to turn it on, you follow the same steps, toggle it on, and then you would have to go down and click on Save. That is how to enable or disable autoplay videos on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.